Asante sana. So first good to see you all. 40 years ago, that was. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How you doing? No. Wait, no. Be specific. Oh, from Wakanda. Wakanda.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope that you're all keeping well. Happy December. It's December. Hello December. Hello December. Akimuta. What do they say? Actually, I don't even know what that lady says, but I know you know the video that I'm referring to.
Hello December.
Happy December. I hope that you're all keeping well. I'm doing okay myself. I thank God. November was a beautiful month, a very beautiful month. We got monetized in November. Yeah, imagine we got monetized in November. I'm planning to do a video, the next video I want to do sort of like a sit down video so that I can tell you guys how I got monetized, and also you guys just get to know me better, because right now we have a lot of new followers, new subscribers in here. So thank you so much guys for being here. I want to do Vlogmas. It's December, so Vlogmas is a must. This is my first December that I'm trying Vlogmas. Hopefully I'll be uploading 2 videos a week. Yeah, hopefully pray for me. I want to do this. So yeah, it's officially Vlogmas, and we are starting off in a very high mood, in a very energetic mood, knowing that we are going to accomplish our goals. Yeah, so this is the first Vlogmas, though some videos I took in November, like last week of November, because November was just the other day. As I'm filming this, today is 1st of December, so yesterday was November. So yeah, you'll see a bit of that, but this is a Vlogmas because I'm uploading it on December, so I have to do Vlogmas. So this is our first video of Vlogmas. Hopefully 2 videos a week. Yeah, 2 videos a week. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I hope you like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Davons_lifestyle and TikTok Davons Lifestyle. I love you guys so much, so much. Enjoy the vlog. This vlog is amazing. It's amazing. You know what? The reason why I'm even calling this a Vlogmas is because I'm already outside. I'm already having fun, you know. Like December is just, you're just meant to be outside, having a good time with friends and family and everything, and eating and partying and all those things, yeah. So this is one of those. I really had a good time in this vlog, so I don't want to spoil. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year
Hey friends, how are you? How are you all doing? I'm good. It's another beautiful day. Today I woke up feeling so energetic. I'm feeling so good. This week so far I've had a good week. And I thank God because it's been a very productive week. I think last week I didn't do anything because I wasn't feeling good. So this week I had a lot of energy, all the things that I needed to do last week and I didn't manage to do. I have achieved them. I am working on them, and I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so relaxed. Yeah, I'm feeling so good. Actually, thank God for the gift of life. I think when you fall sick, that is when you really realize how good health. We should be very appreciative of good health. Last week was so tough. My Lord, last week was so tough because so I was having tonsils. They were so severe. I couldn't swallow my spit. That is my saliva. I couldn't even eat. I couldn't have solid food. It was so bad. So I was just having blended food or Weetabix, my God, and uji. I'm not the kind of person who goes to the hospital immediately. I try to like self-treat and do home remedies to cure myself. So when the signs came, I thought like I have just a flu that is coming. So I was taking ginger, turmeric, and all those things, and I didn't want to go to the hospital. Where the day ugonjwa linishika proper, my Lord, it was bad. So I had to go to the hospital. First, actually, I went to a chemist. So I went to a chemist and I didn't want to go to the hospital. So they gave me antibiotics. And those antibiotics were so bad. They were tasting so bad. They were so yuck and they were so big. And then my tonsils are so swollen. I can't swallow anything. And I'm expected to swallow big tablets like this. Nilisema no. I don't feel injections. By then, nikasema tu let me just go to the hospital. So when I went, nikaambiwa, hey, this is so severe, and we prefer if you have antibiotics, but like with injections. So they prescribed the medicine, and I had to go for injections for 3 days, like each day. Hey, it was tough, yeah. But anyway, I thank God for the gift of good health right now. I'm feeling so good. And then let me tell you guys, our friends had traveled, 2 couple friends. They had traveled and they got us gifts. And leo nikitengeneza huku ndo nimepatana nazo. I'm like, hey, I'm going to mount them. So one couple traveled to South Africa. This looks so nice. So they got us fridge magnet with every place that they went. So it has aquarium, Table Mountain, African Penguin, Robben Island, waterfront, Cape of Good Hope, Cape Town, South Africa. Imagine. Nowadays, if someone is traveling outside the country, I'm like, just get me a fridge magnet, just get me a piece of that land where you're going. And I love South Africa. I love South Africa so much. My man knows it. And I always dream of going to South Africa. I've never been there, but South Africa gives me butterflies, I won't lie, and I'm just praying that very soon I'll visit South Africa. Amen. Manifestation. Amen. And our next couple friends also traveled, and they went to Italy, and they got us this fridge magnet. It looks so nice, and it's like 3D. You can feel. Let me show you guys nicely. I love it. I love the shape. I love everything. I'm having this really in between my interview. You're passing. So I love it so much. I love the shape. I love the colors. It's so vibrant. I feel like I was in Italy for real when I have this. It's also a fridge magnet, so it has a magnet at the back. So after Italy, they proceeded to Colombia. My friends. So they got us this I love Colombia. It has a love heart. Look at that. It looks so nice. And then Colombia, I think the reason why it has this car, because Colombia, they're like farmers, it's so green, I don't know, ama it's my imagination. From what I have seen, Colombia is not, it's not like city life. I think it's more of farm, chilled life. So that's why maybe it has this Kagari with goods over there, and it says, I love Colombia, I love the colors, I love the frame that is heart, you know. And I just love all these three magnets because they are so different in terms of shape. This one, I love Colombia. And then the one I've shown you for Italy, then the South African one. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait to also be traveling and bringing people fridge magnets and other gifts. Hey, she also got me, no, let me not say the other things that I was given, but I thank God for friends who travel, and I promise you, when I start traveling, I will not forget. Aki, mtu anasikianga vizuri, like when someone is coming from abroad and they've brought you something, mtu anasikianga vizuri.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
Hey guys, my man is traveling and I want us to pack together. He's over here. Nakumis.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting. Tell me now and I'll stop breathing. I don't want to be here without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. No, 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 no. I'll be your light, I'll keep you from darkness. Even when the sun don't shine, even when the sun don't shine. Give me your strength and show me your weakness. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.
How are you all doing? It's a new day. So it's a new day, and my husband left. He's not around, so I'm all alone. I'm just alone. And I miss for real. I'm just missing my man. So now let me tell you guys. I feel like I will be distracted for these days that he's not around, because I have a lineup of activities that I'm supposed to do and events that I'm supposed to attend. And today I actually have one event. It's a dinner in the evening, and I'm so excited. I'm super excited for this dinner. It's actually corporate-ish. Like, yeah, it's actually corporate, and the theme is black tie, and I have no idea what I'm going to wear. So I'll see you most probably in the evening, nikiwa nimesha glow up, nimefanya makeup, ninakaa sawa, nimeacha kukaa like my problems, ndio. So see you guys in the evening.
Thank you very much. Asante sana. So, first, good to see you all. 40 years ago, that was in 1984. Yeah, around there. What happened in 1984? Good evening, ladies. How are you? Can I hear an oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. I got an oh yeah on this side. Oh yeah. How are you doing? You're looking so beautiful tonight. 40 years. What a celebration. Thank you very much, Cheshire. You look at, what are you wearing? Where?
Chair.
No. Wait, no, be specific. Oh, sorry. Where? He made watches. He will. Yeah. What kind of country? 40 years. The years that the children of Israel went round and round the desert. 40 years. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Look at this dress. Look at this. What is
guys, good morning. It's the next day, my lord. Yesterday we had a blast. The event was very nice. We came home at like 2, ilikuwa 2:30. Hey, at like 2:30. You can hear from my voice, I was just screaming. I think my highlight was just seeing the fireworks. Oh my god, unakumbuka fireworks?
Hey, that's the best.
Yeah. Yeah, the setup, oh my god, it was so nice. Yeah. I'm just making breakfast. I was saying how yesterday we really enjoyed. We had a good time. Lakini kulinyesha, my god. Oh hey, the rain was too much. Kulikuwa kuna flood. Hey, hata tu kurecord hiyo time. After breakfast, I'll take advantage of my cousin because ako hapa na anajua kuinstall wig. Nataka uninstall wig. And then we have another event that we are attending today. You all get yourself a cousin and a bestie na collabo because niko classes a wig install. Oh my god, thank you so much. Akina trainiwa na the best, yeah. So yeah, oh, I love it. Natamani akikujua kitu guy, Jesus. Ni Thailand.
He's multi-talented and he's from Kiambu County. Kiambu County in the house. Thank you. Yeah. So he's also a vocal percussionist. Oh, Josh, clear.
Tukutane